Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise and echo on your mic using Steam settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Steam. Click on it and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration window where you can adjust various aspects of your application. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several options listed there, and you need to click on Voice. This section contains all the audio-related settings for your microphone and voice chat features within Steam. Clicking on Voice will bring up all the controls you need to fine-tune your microphone's performance. Now, look for the option called Voice Input Device. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select your correct microphone from the list. This ensures that Steam is using the right audio input source, especially if you have multiple microphones connected to your system. Choosing the correct device is crucial for the rest of the adjustments to work properly. Next, navigate to the Input Volume section. Here you'll find a slider that controls how sensitive your microphone is. If your mic is picking up too much sound or seems overly sensitive, adjust this slider by lowering it. This helps reduce the amount of background noise and unwanted audio that gets transmitted during your voice chats. Take your time with this adjustment to find the sweet spot that works for your setup. Now look for the voice transmission threshold option. This is one of the most important settings for controlling background noise and echo. Below this option, you'll see three choices: off, medium, and high. These settings determine how loud you need to speak before your microphone activates and transmits audio. If your mic has lots of background noise or echo, select either medium or high. These higher thresholds require you to speak louder before the mic activates, effectively filtering out quieter ambient sounds. However, if you notice that your voice is getting cut off or not being picked up properly during conversations, set the threshold to low or off. This ensures your microphone captures your voice more consistently, even when you're speaking softly. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Steam microphone settings to reduce background noise and echo, ensuring clearer voice communication during your gaming sessions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.